Hi, this is Brittany Marshall. This is video assignment number 2 for NAS 295. This is the inferior angle of the scapula. This is the superior angle of the scapula, the vertebral border, the axillary border, the acromion process, there, the spine of the scapula, the greater tubercle, the lesser tubercle, and the deltoid tuberosity. There. Okay, muscles. The upper trap's origin is the occipital protuberance. The insertion, that's the origin. The insertion is the outer third of the clavicle. Function is scapular elevation. The lower trap's origin is the middle thoracic vertebrae. The insertion is the spine of the scapula. The function is depression. The rhomboids, the origin is the spinous process of C7. The insertion is the vertebral border of the scapula. The function is retraction. The serratus anterior, the origin is the 8th rib, and the insertion is the vertebral border of the scapula. The function is scapular protraction. The anterior deltoid origin is the lateral third of the clavicle. The insertion is the deltoid tuberosity. Function is horizontal adduction. The middle deltoid, the origin is the acromion process. And the insertion, Lord have mercy, is the deltoid tuberosity. Function is going to be abduction. Posterior deltoid origin is the spinous scapula. The insertion is the deltoid tuberosity. Function, is extension. Supraspinatus, which is the first one of the rotator cuff. Origin is the supraspinatus fossa of the scapula. The insertion is the greater tubercle of the humerus. Function is horizontal abduction. The infraspinatus the origin is the infraspinatus fossa of the scapula. Insertion is the greater tubercle of humerus. The function is horizontal abduction. Teres minor origin is the axillary border of the scapula. Can't feel it right now. Right there. The insertion is the greater tubercle of the humerus. Function would be lateral rotation. Subscapularis. The origin is the scapulary fossa. Which was this. Subscapularis fossa. I can't see. Sorry. Have you shaved today? Subscapulary fossa. Insertion is the lesser tubercle, which is up here actually. Function is medial rotation. Latissimus dorsi. Origin is T7 to L5. Insertion is the bicipital groove of the humerus. And function is shoulder extension. And that is it. Thanks.